Question 20 is about rate of change of concentration of different products or reactants. It's about rate of change, rate of increase of oxygen. In the equation, NO2 has a coefficient 4, so the rate of increase of concentration of nitrogen oxide is conjugate that of oxygen, so this one is equal to 1/4 of the rate of increase of nitrogen oxide per time. Of course, it has the reactant has a coefficient 2, but remember the change is opposite, so rate of increase of oxygen is negative half of the rate of decrease of NTO5. So the answer is 8. Thank you.